In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign leads in Zoho CRM. This process is essential for ensuring that your team can effectively manage and follow up on the leads you generate, ultimately improving your sales workflow and helping your business grow. Let's dive right in. The first thing you need to do is navigate to the Leads module within Zoho CRM. This is where you'll find all the potential customer leads your business has gathered. Think of this module as the central hub for your lead management activities. Once you're there, you'll see a list of all the leads currently in your system. The next step is to open the specific lead you want to assign. Simply locate the lead in the list and click on it to open its detailed view. This will bring up all the relevant information related to this lead, such as contact details, interaction history, and any notes your team has added. Now, you'll want to focus on finding the owner field within this lead's profile. Typically, you can find this near the top of the page, but the layout might vary slightly depending on how your CRM is customized. The current owner of the lead will be listed here, and this is the person who is currently responsible for managing and following up with that lead. To reassign the lead, you'll need to click on the current owner's name. This action will bring up a drop-down menu populated with all the users in your CRM who can potentially take over this lead. From the drop-down, select a new user. This might be another member of your sales team or a manager who is better suited to handle this particular lead. Keep in mind that assigning leads to the right person is crucial for maintaining an efficient sales process, as it ensures that each lead is managed by someone who can provide the best possible service and follow-through. Once you have selected the new owner for your lead, the final step is to save your changes. You can do this by clicking on the Save button, typically located at the top or bottom of the page. By doing so, you're finalizing the reassignment, and the lead will now appear in the new owner's list of responsibilities within the CRM. This helps to keep your team organized and ensures that every lead is being actively managed. And that's it. You've successfully reassigned a lead in Zoho CRM. Remember, regularly reviewing and reassigning leads can help prevent any potential opportunities from slipping through the cracks, ultimately leading to better sales outcomes for your business. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps enhance your lead management